Hey, what's up guys? I'm at Flora's house. We're doing a little black tape project, and first to be taped is Nina. Am I allowed to show? Oh yeah.
It's crazy. This is like serious shit.
And we got Lay over here. Crystal is working on her. How's it going, Lay?
Good.
How's it feel?
Good.
Yeah. You don't feel too exposed?
Not
This-
to the glitter one.
Oh yeah, huh? The glitter.
Yeah, that was.
Let's see what Crystal's doing here.
More space if you think that's cool. I would want that.
Dang, this girl used to be lighter than me, but now she's darker. And then next, we're gonna be doing the. You're like, get out of my face.
It's glassy, right? Yeah, it looks good. And I actually have like this like other piece that like it was like open.
No, it looks awesome though.
Yeah. She's been doing that and then
Cutting
from there.
All right, so I'm over here with Nina, struggling,
Just snacking, trying to
struggling to open the hand. You guys might remember her from the, she called them glitter tits.
glitter tits.
I can't say it. I mean, I just did, but I like to call them glitter boobs.
Glitter boobs, yeah. Glitter.
I think as a guy, if I say it, people get upset.
I mean, yeah. I don't know.
Nina
I
doesn't.
said it.
She doesn't get upset at
I don't
anything.
care. I know Coward. I know that he's sort of. He's not saying it in a derogatory way. Ever.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, that's what I call mine. Man tits. But anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot of cool BTS.
Yes. Beautiful. It's like ombre. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's like sunset.
Oh, there the duck. We got some snacks over here. I'm the only one eating. That's why I got the dad bod going on. So far, we only have 2 stabbings. I feel like we're in art class right now. Oh shoot, I forgot I had these on. How are you hanging over there?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
She's up.
I'm like, pretty good.
Ooh, oh, dang. That's awesome. You gonna connect them too?
Yep, we're connecting and going to the neck a little, like a little choker style.
Damn. All right, so crunch time. We were. It's about 5:30 when we were supposed to be shooting already, but we're gonna wrap up real quick and head out there, start shooting.
I know you're right. So that's what you want on you?
Yeah.
Or it doesn't have to be exactly like that, but just more to keep doing more.
I'm thinking like talking about that.
It's so fun. I love it. How does she look?
Oh yeah, she looks amazing. BTS. All right, we're just gonna get some quick BTS. This is the finished work. We had to rush, but looks amazing. Oh, she's not drinking.
Oh.
You're just holding it for me. Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Awesome. Cause she's only 38. Oh! I just got my ass beat. Okay, there we go. There's the lioness. Yeah.
Nice.
Woo! There's a mermaid. I think that's what that one's called. This is what we're working with today. It's a stupid little Flashpoint Explorer 300. Haha, I just said it's stupid, it's not. Anyway, we're gonna take some photos right now, so hopefully they come out okay. I'm an amateur. That was a test shot, and you made a really nice face. I think it's okay. We'll just leave it for now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Water. And then your hip, you're just gonna shift it to the side. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah. There you go. Yep, kind of looking to this side. Beautiful. Yes. And then some hands in the hair action.
I was gonna say put the hand in the hair.
Yep.
Yeah, girl. That's it. Hair on the shoulder.
Here comes some water. Okay.
Hey, girl.
Beautiful. Just fix the hair, Nina. Yep, that side. Perfect. All right, ladies. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And then Lay, try to point the toes. Yeah, back. Yep, there you go. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. And then, is it okay if you guys are kind of leaning each other? Touching, yeah. Oh, yes. That's amazing, you guys.
That's so pretty. Yes. Yeah.
I'm just doing test shot, you guys. Beautiful. Okay. Yes, that's amazing. Yep. And then be careful with pointing the elbows back.
Find the bottoms, KOSFromHawaii.com. Behind the scenes.
That way you guys don't hide each other. Okay. I'm gonna take one test shot with you guys looking away. You guys, 1, 2, and 3. Gonna get one more shot here. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Thanks, I'll put it in my pocket. Wait.
Sorry. I'm shredding.
What?
Sorry.
Okay, I know the water's gonna. Alright.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. The bikinis look amazing. I know.
Look at that beautiful sky.
The sky is, yeah, it's on fire too. All right, beautiful sunset down here. Giving them instruction on how to pose.
Just kind of like, see how I'm gonna lead with my. Hey, this is secrets, you guys. Lead with it. Yeah. Oh shit. Shoot. That's it right there. So you know what you're doing. You're gonna go on your toes. Okay?
So point the toes.
Having some difficulties right now. I'm just gonna put my hair. The sunset like reflects off of this tape, and it's like you can see the sky in your tape almost. Really? It's so pretty. It's gorgeous. I don't know if the GoPro really catches the colors in the sky, but it is so pretty.
All right, I'll count you off on 3, so you can relax. All right, now you remember, you gotta boom to the sky, yeah?
Okay, I did the live. 77, 78, 79 viewers viewed.
Nice.
Thank you.
I don't know, but I was being a weirdo on it by accident. I was like,
Oh, I like that.
I was talking about their bathing suit bottoms. I'm like, oh, look at their bottoms. They're so beautiful. And I was like, I don't mean their butts, but those are beautiful too. Look at this.
Thumbs up. Oh my gosh. You're a hot mess. No, I'm just kidding.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you to everybody who participated today. So we're just gonna go down here. We got Crystal. You guys know Crystal.
Hi.
She helped with taping, Lay, and that's Flora. You guys probably seen her in my IG live. She's an amazing model too. And taping. So she helped tape Nina. And then that's Lay. She can't see. I'm pointing the flash at her face. All right, and we have. Go ahead, introduce.
No, it's
Oh.
Balia. Hi.
Hey, it just sounds so much better when you say it. That's why.
Oh.
Yeah. And of course, you guys know. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. We need more time.
Tedious. Next time we'll tape up the whole body and we'll take a whole day to do it. So
Yeah. A couple more hours.
I'll definitely spend more time taping, but it was so much fun.
Yeah.
You guys were amazing.
Thanks, guys, for helping us.
Yeah, of course. Now let's eat.
Yeah.
Yes. Awesome.
I'm hungry.